Namaste, welcome back to the Practitioner channel and welcome back to AWS Card Clash series, which is an architecture design, AWS architecture design card game. So far, we have done 7 levels or 7 architecture designs, and today we are going to do our 8th design, which is going to be about data streams and visualizations. In this architecture design, use Amazon Kinesis to ingest data, process it with AWS Glue, query through Amazon Athena, and visualize it with Amazon QuickSight, ensuring security and monitoring with IAM and Amazon CloudWatch. So we are going to use Athena, Connect, Data Catalog, Glue Crawler, Kinesis Firehose, Kinesis Data Streams, QuickSight, and S3. This is going to be interesting. So let's go ahead and let's build our design, shall we? I in the last video I enabled the game audio. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh no. See, always, we don't get these energy cards at all. But if you notice, the AIs always, at least he will get +2. There were some rounds where I didn't even get one. Anyways, let's look at our architecture diagram. Contact trace record. So obviously this is going to be AWS Connect, which is call center or contact center on cloud. And we are going to collect the data. How will we collect it in real time? Using a streaming service, obviously, and then delivers data. So this is going to be Firehose. This is going to be streams. Streams is going to send data to Firehose. Firehose is going to write the data to S3. And then this is going to be Glue data catalog, where we are going to create tables based off of this file in S3. And then we are going to crawl this, serves as an index for data location schema metrics. Is it uh, it's not CloudWatch, will come there. Is it crawler? No. Yeah, I think catalog crawler maybe. And then Athena will be here. We will write or run SQL queries on top of tables that were built here. This is going to be QuickSight. I think this will be CloudWatch. No, CloudWatch won't be there. I don't know why they mentioned CloudWatch. We'll see. That's all going to be there. Everything is 2 to 2, which is nice. So this is going to be something that is going to be rare. So let's or connect. Let's place connect and let's put IAM. And S3 is a common card. Let's scrap it. I don't have much energy to put. Yeah, see, QuickSight here. Is it QuickSight? No, it's Athena, right? It's Athena. Okay, nice. This time, see, this is nice. This is how it's supposed to be. I can put QuickSight here, or I can put data catalog. I'm just wondering. This is going to be crawler. This is going to be catalog. I might be wrong. Let's wait for him to put that. I already have a +3, so I will leave them as is. Oh, he scraped the firehose, huh? I don't have any security card. Oh no. I already have a catalog. We can scrap that. QuickSight I already placed. Scrap that. Oh, I didn't place this. I can place this, but he might steal it. It's okay. I won't place any. See, good thing is we can play anytime we want. We already have the. See, that's the crawler. It's good I didn't place it. Okay, finally throw this out. Can I steal any of his? Oh, I don't have either of it. If I place this here, this guy might put those two and win the game. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see. I can finish the game in next round. Anyways, I have these two. Oh, I could have finished it, but I don't think we would. Yeah, now I can steal that. Hoping I will get a security. Oh, come on, Miss Gorilla, destroy this. Oh, you destroyed that. Okay. Um, I don't have anything for security, so even if I steal that, he might steal it back. I can steal this, pretty much I can steal everything. Or should I finish the game? If I finish the game, I will get 10, he will get 6, which is not 60%, is it? 16 out of 16, what is 10? Roughly, yeah, 60, not 65 though. Do we care? So it's okay. Let's play safe. I will steal his maybe crawler and let's hope he won't steal it back. I can steal his Athena as well. Okay, let's see what he will do. Oh, he didn't place it. I can place that and win the game. Not sure why he didn't do that. It's okay. We will win it now. And it's going to be more than 65%. So, as I mentioned, uh, contact center on cloud, streams to collect it, Firehose delivers the data to S3, then using crawler, you will crawl on files, then you will create using data catalog the table in here, and then using Athena, you will query the table, and then you will see the results in the dashboard using quick site. So this was a quick game, and we got 75%, no fouls, and I spent 17 energy, and I stole his 2 times. That's why we ended up with 12. So I think you are getting an idea, right? If you have to get 3 stars, you have to steal his. If you don't steal his, then it is very hard for you to get those 3 stars. I mean, there is nothing stopping you from going to next level. I mean, I think you need to have a certain amount of stars to go to the next level, but it doesn't have to be 45, 45. But when I play games, I keep it like all 3 stars. That just makes me more, I wouldn't say competitive, but I would say interesting. Otherwise, what's there? Within 2 minutes, you can finish the game, you can win it, and then get done with it. But for me, put 3 stars at least. It will make it little complicated. All right. That being said, I hope you enjoyed it. This is a quick one, but we are improving, and I hope you enjoyed this architecture design. If you do enjoyed it, then subscribe, like, comment, and enable bell notification bell icon, and all that awesome stuff. All the best for your exams. Thank you very much for spending your time here, and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Peace out.